I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to improve vitamin B12 for vegetarians, prioritize daily fortified foods, choose a reliable supplement, and get periodic blood tests to confirm levels. Start by adding fortified cereals, plant milks, and nutritional yeast to meals, then pick a methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin supplement that fits your diet and budget. I explain dosing, timing, and simple tracking methods to keep B12 steady and energy consistent. To boost B12 naturally within a vegetarian pattern, build meals around fortified staples and B12-enriched products every day. Sprinkle nutritional yeast on salads and pasta, replace regular milk with fortified plant milk at breakfast, and choose fortified cereals for an easy morning dose. When eating out, ask about fortified options and combine foods so each meal contributes a small, reliable amount of B12 to avoid gaps in intake over the week. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear nutrition guides for you. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are great for portioning fortified meals and keeping nutritional yeast or fortified salads sealed for a week, which makes consistent B12 intake easier and less messy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Supplements are the most reliable way for vegetarians to secure B12, and they come in daily and weekly dosing options to match your routine. Choose a trusted brand with transparent labeling and third-party testing, and consider methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin formulations depending on cost and tolerance. Take with meals for comfort, store according to instructions, and keep a simple calendar reminder so you never miss doses or accidentally double up on days off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.